Hello my friend, I'm glad to see you again in my channel. Today this tutorial will present to you how to make the knotted headband. This is from fabric. I choose a black color and I hope you like it. Don't forget like, subscribe, comment and share my video. Now let's prepare the material that we will use to make the knotted headband. The materials are fabric, measurement tape, needle and thread, also straight pin, scissor, clip and elastic rope. The first step, you prepare the fabric. Two kind of fabric. The first, you need the length of 60 centimeter and the width 20 centimeter. We need only one piece. And this one, the length of 40 centimeter and the weight of 8 centimeter. Yeah. After you prepared the fabric and you cut, you fold the fabric. You fold and this one, the good side face with the good side, secure with a straight pin, this one, and start sewing from this corner. Keep sewing to here. Okay, also this one, from this corner keep sewing to here. After you sew, you turn the fabric inside out like this. Okay. And this one, and you prepare the elastic rope, the length of 20 centimeter and the width 2 centimeter. Okay. Give the safety pin and insert the elastic rope through the fabric. And you sew. So here, also here. Okay. And now you make a knot. Okay. Fold in half. And make knot. Yeah. this one. This is a good side, and this is the elastic. This is the line of sewing. Put in the middle. Okay. You fold like this. Sew. Okay. And sew. Like this. Okay, and then you pull and turn. Okay, you pull and turn. And this is the knot. The knotted headband has been done. Thank you. Bye-bye.